Now go to the side a little, your left.
My left? You're right.
No, you're right, sorry. You're right, you're right. Keep going to your right. Just sidestep. Okay. Turn right there. Stay right there. Don't open your eyes yet. I'm not ready. You look handsome, by the way.
Oh my gosh. It is amazing. Couldn't have asked for more for that.
I really like the dress. I'm happy to see you.
You ready? Are you
You're
sure?
gonna make me cry.
To my fiance, Milagro Medina, soon to be Milagro Berry. From the moment we first became aware of each other in high school riding the bus on our way to EVIT, there was always something special, even if we didn't fully understand it at the time. I didn't know why I didn't make the move until after graduation to talk to you. When I saw you add me on Facebook, everything became clear. I wasn't ready to meet the love of my life just yet. From the very first date, the moment we got into the car, it felt like we already had known each other for years. The conversation flowed effortlessly, and even was a deep bond that made it so much more that night. That night set the tone for what would become the most beautiful and unexpected journey of my life. 4 years later, here we are, together, stronger than ever. We've explored more cities, met new people, and lived through some incredible adventures. But through it all, one thing has remained constant. The love, the appreciation, and the sacrifices we've made to build a life together. Our love has grown and matured, and with each passing day, it becomes even more beautiful and resilient. Milagro, never did I ever think I'd find the love of my life this soon. But you made it easy. You've become the person I've always hoped for, and seeing you grow into who you are today fills me with so much pride and admiration. I'm so proud of you. You built a strong, caring, and fiercely loving person who is not only my partner, but my best friend. You are a constant reminder of how lucky I am as I stand before you today, reflecting on the countless memories we've created together, the fur babies we share, and the life we built together. I'm overwhelmed with gratitude. Life has thrown its fair share of challenges our way, but each time we face them together with strength, grace, and unwavering love. It's in those moments that I realized I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you, Milagro. You are my person, and I'm ready to commit to you, to us, and to this next chapter as soon to be Mrs. Berry. I could go on and on recounting our best memories, but I'll keep it simple. Milagro, these past 4 years have been nothing short of amazing. Nothing short of amazing. I cannot wait for all the years to come. You are my heart, you are my home, you are the love of my life. With you, I am whole. I love you more than words can express, and I always will.
Okay. Not cry while I say this. Okay. Since I was a little girl, I've always dreamed of what this day might be like. Who I'd be standing in front of, and my heart is so happy. From the moment you came into my life, everything changed. It's like my heart found its home, its rhythm, and its purpose. Before you, I never fully understood what people meant when they said soulmate. But now, standing here today, I do. You are my safe place in a chaotic world, my reason to smile on the darkest days, and my partner in every dream and adventure we dare chase. With you, I've learned what it means to be truly seen, to be understood, and to be loved without condition. I vow to love you not just for who you are today, but who you'll become. I vow to hold your hand through every season, every chapter, and every unexpected twist in life may bring us. I will celebrate your victories if they were my own, and carry your burdens so you'll never feel alone. With you, I am whole, and I will honor our love as the greatest gift of my life. Stephen, you are my person, the greatest love of my life, And I'm just standing here today to say I can't wait to say I do. And I can't wait to begin the next chapter of our lives together. I love you forever and always.
You did it. You did it. You ready?
I'm ready.
You need a second? Are you good?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah? What time is it?
It's for the
4:50.
way you look at me. Oh, it's for the only one I see.
Is very, very extraordinary. Is even more than anyone that you know and love. Is all that I can give.
You can step out of here.
Love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it.
Love was made for me and you. Is for the way you look at me. Oh, it's for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. Is even more than anyone that you adore can love. Is all that I can give to you.
You were able to do these things because you had this white little teddy bear that I brought home to your mom.
Don't break it. Love was made for me and you. Love was made for me
and sharing stories, making memories. And I'm convinced that we've packed about a year or two of friendship into like 20 years.
Their journey together has been a testament to love, growth, and commitment.